and welcome back to the channel. Listen, today I've got another engaging maths game that you can play with your child or your students at school to help them improve their knowledge of comparing numbers and doing addition. Also, if this is the first time you're here, my name is Mr. K and I'm an elementary primary school teacher, and I've geared this channel towards discussing and also showing you activities that will help improve the learning outcomes of students. So if this sounds like something you might be interested in, please do yourself a favor, hit the subscribe button down below and remember to hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Listen, we've got a bit to get through, so let's get into it. Let's learn, share and teach. Okay, so today's game is called Highest Takes All, and this is a great game for students to practice their ability to compare numbers and also to practice their ability to do addition. Now, this particular variation I'm going to show you today is really aimed towards 6, 7, 8-year-old students, but if you're looking for a game that might work for a student with different learning needs, please stick around for after the how to play the game part of this video, because we'll talk about some variations that you can possibly do to suit your child's learning needs. Excellent. Okay, so let's get into learning how to play the game. Okay, so to play this game, all you need is a deck of cards. You need to throw away the joker, but you can keep all the other cards. Note that the ace is 11 points. The picture card, which is the jack, queen, king, they all are worth 10 points each. And the basic idea of the game is that you are trying to get the highest value possible. And what happens is you put down the cards. Each player gets 3 cards each. Now, I'm just going to play against one other imaginary player here today. But you might have more than just 2 players. You might have 3 or 4 players instead of the 2 that I've got happening here. Now, normally you wouldn't share what each player has in their hand, or you wouldn't show the cards that you have to any other player. But for the purpose of showing you how the game works, I am going to do that now. So you turn them over like this. Just for the purpose of showing you how the game works, but you wouldn't show those, like I said, normally. The top card from the pile is shown there. Then the first player starts by either sticking with what they've got, or stealing from the other player, or taking from here or here. Okay, so you've got 4 different things you could do. You could either stick with what you got, take from another player, take from here, or take from there. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so I'll start with me. I've got 3 plus 3 is 6, is 16. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be cheeky and I'm going to steal. And let's just say, of course, I can't see that other player's cards, and I'm going to randomly take one, and I take this one. So I take that, put that into my hand, and throw that out there. Now that gives me a new total of 22. Now the other player has lost the card, okay, but they get to replace that by taking another card from here. So they've got 11 plus 10 equals 21 equals 26. Now we don't know each other's cards, obviously, so we don't know who's won, but this player gets to now have their turn and decide what they're going to do. Now they can take from either here, here, or steal from me, or sit on what they have if they want to. But what they're going to do now is they're going to take one from here, and it's another 11, so they're going to chuck out what they don't want there, and we stop there. We show each other our cards, and I've got 3 plus 9 is 12 plus 10 is 29, and then this person's got 11 plus 11 is 22, 32. So the winner obviously is this person. They get to keep their cards and my cards and the ones in the middle. and they've won the first round, and now on to the next round. And the winner at the end of the whole game is the person that, at the end of the deck, who has the most cards. So, in regards to variations, what could you do? Well, one thing you could do is basically change the amount of cards that are being drawn by the child. You could either decrease the amount of cards that they're drawing or increase the amount of cards they're drawing, and thus changing the target number they're looking for. Or you could do something totally different and get them to do, instead of addition, get them to use multiplication. Wow, that'll make things a lot different. Excellent. So if you've got any ideas about different variations of this game, please do us all a favor and put them in the comments to this video. That'd be greatly appreciated. Beyond that, listen, if today's game didn't sort of like, hit the mark for you and you're looking for something a little bit different, stick around, because at the end of this video I will be showing you the link, or giving you the link to my YouTube playlist of maths games. And yeah, that is quite extensive and there's quite a lot there. Excellent. Listen, thanks for tuning in today. Great to have you here today, and thanks for watching. See you later. See you next time. Bye. Thanks for watching one of my videos. If you've enjoyed the content or you just want to show your support, please just click the subscribe button down below. You hitting the subscribe button lets me know that you'd like to see more content from me. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Subscribe.